Hello guys. I will show you how to make abalone sashimi and steamed abalone in this video.
At 1 o'clock, shortly.
These are 7 abalone per a kilo purchased at the Noryagnik fish market in Seoul. It is still alive. Use a brush to clean the abalone stains. It'd be better to clean it with salt. Spoon into the abalone mouth part to separate the flesh and shell. Take the abalone flesh out and turn it clockwise to remove the internal organs. If you look closely at the abalone shell, there is an opening. That is the mouth part. There is the mouth on the left part. On the other side is the part with the intestine. Remove the intestine. This is the yellow intestine. It is said that abalone has 2 types of visceral colors depending on the feeding activity. Most of the abalone I bought this time has green intestine. This is the abalone esophagus and mouth. There may be bacteria in it, so it needs to be removed. After tearing it off by hand, I cut it all the way out with a knife. Remove the gizzard from the abalone intestine. The highlighted part is the gizzard. I am going to make my favorite abalone intestine porridge later, so I keep it separately. My wife likes abalone sashimi as well as the steamed one, so I happen to prepare abalone often. Remove the mouth and esophagus. If you look closely, it is easy to see which part is the gizzard. Add salt to the collected abalone intestine and wash it with water. The reason for washing the shell is that 5 of them will be steamed, so let's clean the inner and outer surfaces. After putting a little bit of soju or sake with water in a steamer and steaming for about 40 minutes over medium heat, or 2 hours over low heat, and the abalone steaming is done. It is said that the longer it gets, the softer it gets. I am preparing abalone for sashimi. To reduce the fishy taste that might have when eating abalone sashimi, mix salt with sake or soju, and soak the abalone for 5 to 10 minutes. If any water remains, it might be fishy, so remove moisture as much as possible. The mouth part is still there. Let's remove it. Score the flesh and make it into sashimi pieces. Do the same for the steamed one. It is hot. Put them nicely on the plate. The steamed one is very soft and the sashimi has a good texture and is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.